Hi, everyone. It's great to be back at the Disrupt conference, and it's always lovely to see you again. Earlier this year, I talked with a great Disrupt Miami audience. That's when I introduced the concept of enterprise utility computing. It's the next way to think about EUC. I firmly believe this is the future, reimagining IT as a utility service, where enterprises will securely broadcast their data, apps, and workflows from a seamless grid of cloud and on-premises compute factories. Just think of it, enterprise computing as simple and secure as plugging a smart TV into the internet for streaming media. The urgency around enterprise security is growing exponentially. Phishing attacks, ransomware, and service interruptions have pushed enterprise security from a top priority to really a strategic imperative. It's a failure is not an option initiative. So we need the vision, leadership, and courage to involve our thinking. Today, in these final hours of Disrupt 24, I want to explore how we secure the future of enterprise computing, ensuring its safety, flexibility, and ability to adapt to ever-evolving threats. Traditionally, enterprise IT revolved around Windows desktops and local apps. But over the past decade, we've seen a radical shift toward web apps, driven first by HTML, then by HTML5, and now PWA, PHP frameworks like Laravel, and no-code, low-code products. It's incredible to think today that web apps outnumber traditional Windows apps in many enterprises. In this evolution, the browser moves closer toward becoming the new enterprise desktop, really a secure runtime container that aggregates and integrates apps and data. With this shift, securing the browser environment has become even more critical. This is where secure browsers come into play. While Windows virtualization and streaming continues to be a very powerful tool, secure browsers are emerging as a central solution for delivering enterprise computing safely across platforms including Windows, Mac OS, IGEL OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS. These browsers not only run web apps securely, they can also offer the ability to stream Windows applications and desktops, offering a consistent, secure experience across all devices. The secure browser becomes the platform enterprises can use to deploy, manage, and secure their entire estate of apps, data, and workflows. As you've learned this week, secure browsers that run on a platform like IGEL OS are able to provide preventive security. Traditional security measures have mainly been reactive, responding to threats after they occur. But with preventive security, the system can proactively provide real-time protection before threats even materialize. This is breakthrough. This is how secure browsers become the keystone in a zero-trust environment where policies dictate how apps and data are accessed, who can interact with them, and under what conditions. This preventive model reduces the attack surface and radically limits the exposure to phishing, malware, and other threats. Moreover, we now have the potential for verifiable security, where every action within the browser and for web apps and streamed apps can be verified and monitored in real time. This will allow enterprises to create an environment where security is not just assumed, but continuously proven. This is that's now possible and really an exciting aspect of the future. This shift towards secure browsers isn't just about securing enterprise environments, it's about creating a flexible, scalable, and integrated platform for delivering computing services as a utility. The future of enterprise computing lies in the convergence of secure browsers, modern web apps, and streamed Windows apps, all within a verifiably secure environment. This means specific operating systems will no longer limit enterprises. The secure browser can actually become the primary way to deliver apps and data securely to any device, anywhere, with real-time preventive security controls. This vision is the future of enterprise IT, where security, flexibility, and a delightful user experience are not just goals, but realities. You've already seen this, courtesy of IGEL PSM during the conference. I hope you envision it. I can surely see it. EUC naturally evolving into a new category, where IT operates as a utility, securely delivering apps, data, and workflows from a whole grid of corporate and public compute centers, with a fantastic subscriber experience. This would be just as easily as we access water, electricity, or the internet. IT can become that utility powered by enterprise utility computing. Thanks for your time today. It'll be really lovely to see you again in Q1 25 at the Fontainebleau in Miami. Be there, please.